Meet PermLens Syntix, your privacy command center. One score shows your whole phone at a glance. High-risk apps, attention items, tracked favorites. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Open any app and see every permission, clearly labeled. Granted or denied, no technical jargon, no hidden access. You always know exactly what each app can do. Updates can silently add new permissions. PermLens catches every version change, size shift, and new access, so nothing slips through while you weren't looking. Turn on smart alerts and get notified the moment an app gains sensitive access. Camera, microphone, location, only the changes that actually matter to your privacy. Lock your audit with PIN or biometrics. Control scan intervals, track app sizes, export reports, and keep everything stored locally on your device. Take back your privacy. Download PermLens Syntix on Google Play. Scan every app locally in minutes and stay protected.